All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV, Military Guna TV. As you know, we're back with another one. So, Shamar Nicholson is, or I would say, most definitely want to be a part of the squad for the Nation League. He said he's ready, he's up for it, and this one can't miss him. And that's good to know. That's good to know. So we can now confirm that we have a few players who said Nation League, um, this Nation League tournament cannot miss them. This is a big opportunity for the Reggae Boyz to stamp their name back into the CONCACAF region. A good opportunity. Now, what does this have to do with Paul Hall's plan? How will this affect Paul Hall's plan? If you look at the Catalonian squad, if you look at the squad that's going to be playing in the friendlies, quite contrary to everything. We're going to get into that. Smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button, most definitely. We're going to get into the article as well. We're going to read through the article and see if we see anything that we can dive down into. So, let's start off with the article. Let's start off with the article. Why is this not bringing up the article? Give me a second. Why is this not bringing up the article? Good. Yeah, sorry about that, people. I don't know what reason why this didn't bring up the article initially. So the article says man on fire. You know Shamar Nicholson at this moment, who's in spectacular form. Let's get straight into the details. I won't waste any time. So Jamaica striker Shamar Nicholson is eyeing a return to action with the senior Reggae Boyz for next month's CONCACAF Nation League assignments. Even as he prepares for the Russian Cup final with his club Spartak Moscow, according to his agent Kevin Cohen. Nicholson, 25, has been on a hot streak in Europe this season, scoring over 20 goals combined from stints with former club Charleroi and Belgium and the Spartak Moscow outfit, which he joined in mid-season. The towering player, blessed with strength, composure, and an eye for a goal, scored 3 times in Spartak Moscow 6-1, which is an hat-trick win in the round of 16 Russian Cup match against FC Cuban. Though not getting the score sheet, getting on the score sheet, the Reggae Boyz attacker was integral in the Spartak Moscow 1-0 victory over CSK Moscow in the quarterfinals and the 3-0 triumph over I won't try and say that name. I'm gonna say Yenisei. I'm gonna say Yenisei. Yeah. So the Russia Cup championship match against city rivals Dynamo Moscow scheduled for the 29th of May. Oh, that's next week. Inside of the Luzhniki Stadium. I won't baffle on that. With one round of matches left in Russian Premier League, Spartak, traditionally one of the top teams in the country, are 10th in the standings with 38 points. Dynamo, 53 points, are second behind runaway league winners Zenit St. Petersburg. This is what Cohen said. He feels proud that he has helped his team to reach the cup final and is looking forward to helping his team to win it. He's excited, but he knows it's not going to be easy, Cohen said. Spartak are having a... I hate to see these promotions. Nicholson, a former national under 20 standout, missed World Cup qualifying match towards the back end of Jamaica's senior field team of the 2022 bid after formalized the move from Belgium to Russian capital early this year. But Cohen said Nicholson, who scored for the boys at the start of the final round, qualifiers away to CONCACAF top teams Mexico and Costa Rica last September, is eager to get back on full. So Shamar is looking forward to the Nation League. He knows the significance of the country performing well because Nation League is a vehicle to get to the CONCACAF Gold Cup. He has had a very long season, but always he's looking forward to putting on the black, green, and gold of Jamaica. He's ready to compete and to do his best this summer, said his agent. Everything else is just some rhetoric that they normally put out. Yeah, so those are other aspects are just some rhetoric that they normally put. Those are just some rhetoric. So Shamar Nicholson wants to be back. Well, it's eyeing himself back into the squad. I don't think that anyone will dispute Shamar Nicholson coming back into the squad. None at all. Shamar Nicholson, I do believe, out of all other strikers, he has been on the more prolific goal scoring run this season in totality. Many might call a lot of names, but Shamar Nicholson outscored. I think he's the only Reggae Boy striker at this moment to hit 20 goal plus or 20 a combine of 20 plus throughout the season. I'm not remember it's a combination of Charleroi and also Spartak Moscow. So he's the only Reggae Boy to actually hit 20 plus goals. And I think his goal contribution is also, yeah, it will be 20 plus because he has 20 plus goals plus assists. So I think he's the only Reggae Boy at this moment to hit that figure. I'm not sure what Mikel Antonio's figures is, but I don't think it passed 20. I highly doubt it passed 20. And maybe Mikel Antonio and Kemar Roof would have been the one to look at. Nico Brett has been in good form, but I don't think Nico Brett has scored that amount of goals. But anyways, Shamar Nicholson will be eyeing itself. Will be back. He's looking forward to be a part of the Nation League, in which no one will disagree with that. Most notably, this is what's coming from his agent, that our player will be with the senior squad. Depends on if he gets a call. That's what that boils down to the coach and his team. And we all know the situation last time. The coach said he was disappointed that Nicholson didn't turn up for the last set of games in the qualifiers. But most definitely, we know the quality, we know the talent that he has. We know a lot of people expectation on his shoulder. Now, with what's happened at Spartak Moscow, he has significantly improved on many various aspects of his game, and he has now really formalized himself, or even fine-tuned himself as a more out-and-out number 9 target man. So he has that quality now to really lead the line. Gain that he garnered the experience that he got in Moscow, and also Charleroi. So definitely we are now seeing a more refined player who actually understands his art, basically, or his craft, and knows how to apply himself quite well. So most definitely, I'm anticipating to see this Nation League squad. I know most of you guys are also anticipating to see what's going to happen in the Catalonia game. I do think that we will do some stuff on the Catalonia, the squad itself. We're doing a video on the squad itself, so look out for that one. Anyways, people, I won't go any further. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, MG Sport, Military Guna TV, people. We are out. Boom.